Kim and Mary here at the Nuts Network.
Yes.
We are back at Hunter Park.
Woo!
Riverside Live Steamers for their spring, I believe it's today, their spring meetup.
Yes.
So, before we begin, huge shout out to our supporters. Top supporters, Tom, SoCal Fun Seekers, Cedar Farsight, and Crosslots.
Woo!
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is our 3rd year in a row coming here, and the first time it's cloudy and chilly. We're gonna go get in line. We're picnicking earlier, watching the trains go by,
Yes.
eating some food, and now we are gonna head to the station and get in that queue, because it's probably gonna take a good 15 minutes. We'll see. They got the Rio Grande out again, running. That'll be cool to watch. After we go on our ride, we'll go walk around the park and check out the trains. There's the station over there. Here's Hunter Station. Exciting, I love coming here. A train is coming in. I don't think we're gonna get on this one though. That's okay, there's another one right behind it. Somewhere. Yeah, I go in there. It's a good long ride though. It's probably 15 minutes. I'm gonna time how long it is this time. We've been in line for about 15 minutes.
Yeah.
You straddle these ones. Here comes that Denver and Rio Grande. This is the coolest one they have here, besides the big boy. The big boy's pretty cool too. This one's really cool, like the whole set and everything.
Yeah, that's the birthday train.
Lay down on that one. This is the coolest one. Look at this. And this one actually runs off of coal. They use coal to heat this one up. Yeah, it's the real deal here. But yeah, he's putting coal in there right now, probably. Cool. Here comes our ride.
Look at the little deer.
I know, the John Deeres, they're cool. I saw those earlier, that was hilarious.
Yeah, we're gonna ride this one.
Please remain seated until the train stops and the engineer is blowing the whistle. Now exit to your right and to the right.
Alright, we just got off the train. And we're gonna go walk around and look at them all. Alright guys, we just got off the train.
Yes.
We're going to, it's gotten a little chilly, so we're going to bundle up and we're going to walk around the park and take a look at the trains. It's Mary and I, you guys. Whatever, you know, if we won the lottery.
There would be signs.
There would be signs. That's the sign right there. Tickle, 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 tickle. We found this nice little bench that's by the yard. It's pretty cool.
Imagine if one time...
It's their shop area over there. I wonder what it requires to be a member. Oh no, you know what? Like I said, if we won the lottery, there's the signs. This train with Mary and I rolling around in it. Be fun.
Owning a car.
Yeah, owning one. Because I think, I don't know, you need like boiler licenses. I don't even know how to run one of these things if my life depended on it. It's green.
Southern.
There's a lot of Riverside steamer cars on here. I wondered if those ones were around when I rode back when I was a kid. Just had a cool conversation with Nicholas, the engineer. He used to work at Knott's, guys. He used to operate 340 and 41.
That's cool.
I was getting some education. These are literally exactly like, they run the same way as 340. They use oil.
Yeah.
That's what you smell.
Yeah.
Burning. And then he just did the blowout.
I saw that. I got it.
And then he showed me the safety valve thing, and he's like, "Yeah, I'm like, it's not that loud, is it?" Because I'm like, the big ones. He's like, "Oh yeah, the big ones."
Yeah.
He's like, when it happens in 340 or one of those ones, hit the deck because it's so loud. I'm like,
When you go to Knott's Berry Farm, Walter Knott, he liked to do things really authentic, and one of the most authentic things you'll see at the farm is the
those
trains.
locomotives. Yes, those are real Baldwin, built in the 1800s. They're over 100 years old for sure.
It's true Old West. Historic.
They're going on the siding. That's cool. Yeah, that's the track to go back. There, here comes the passenger one. Despite it being chilly weather, this is a good visit. It's always fun coming here.
Yes.
We love the trains. Huge fan of trains. Some of you longtime viewers know that. And I've been coming here since I was a kid. So it's cool that it's still here. Still haven't gone to the LA live steamers. We will One day, guys, one day.
Walt's Barn.
Or Walt's Barn, that's on the list.
Don't worry, we see the private messages you guys send us about Walt's Barn.
Yes, we know. We
know.
It's on our list. Trust us. It's just
But thank you for
schedules.
thinking of us. We appreciate
Yes,
when you
totally.
send us
Yes,
Walt's
I
Barn
like.
stuff.
We like the heads up and all that stuff.
Yes.
We appreciate it. So yeah, we're gonna just do a final little circle. Get that cool Denver and Rio Grande ones coming up again. It's gonna go that way. Actually, maybe. I don't know. He's side saddling it over here. Oh, look at the line now. At least we got on it once, right? That one's cool. It's got a little bell too. It's cool. It's got a little bell. Right? But that one's a like laid back one. The gondola. Yeah, I think you could open them up and put stuff inside. Store stuff. Yeah, it looks like there's lights. I think there's lights in there. There's wires. That one's got a seat on it. Yeah, look, that's the safety valve. So are those tracks, they just automatic up there? The flanges? I want to see, I'm curious, unreal. Like, are they just all automatic springs maybe? Like you're gonna parallel it. What do they call it? Pacing it? Cool. Look, you can see the spring moving. Yeah, it's an automatic. It automatically. See, it's subbing over.
Yeah.
That's so cool. I figured it was an automatic flap or flange. I don't know the term of it, guys. Sorry. I'm a rail fan, but not. The problem with liking so many things is you can only keep so much information on each subject. So
I think out of all the different subjects I know about, I think I'm more well versed in the haunt world than anything else.
All right, guys. We had a great time.
Yes. Thank you to the Riverside live streamers for throwing this event together. It's always wonderful to come and ride the train, see the trains, experience the trains.
Yes, guys, and donations are highly encouraged, you know. Keeps the railroad going. Donating can be shirts. They even have a QR code. You can, I think, Venmo or Apple Pay or anything like that.
Or you can even get a pin.
Yes, buy pins, buy shirts, patches, hats, all that donates towards the railroad.
Yes.
So, we'll see. I don't know. We usually just come once a year because we have such a crazy schedule throughout the year of activities.
And by the way, just a quick insert. This is my lapelling cross-shoulder body bag. It's perfect for adventures like this. It keeps my Riverside live steamers pin safe and my other pin safe while we're on adventures like this. And it holds all my stuff that I need for the day. You could get your very own pin bag from lapelling.com and use code KNOTSNET20 for discount. Whee!
Yeah.
Because, oh, just side note, we're official affiliates of lapelling. Yeah.
Yeah. All right, plug over. Whoa, big train over there. That's a big train over there.
Yes.
We're gonna go see some big trains now. That's gonna be in a different vlog. We tend to like to keep places on their own things.
Yes.
So, thanks so much for tuning in, guys. Thank you guys again, Riverside live streamers, live steamers. It's always fun coming here.
Oh, yes.
Shout out to Nicholas for all the cool insights on the locomotives and everything.
Yes.
And yeah, we can't wait till our next visit.
Woo!
We want to give a huge shout out to our supporters: Tom, Cookie Trails, Tucker Time, SoCal Fun Seekers, CDR Farsight, Crow Slots, Lewis, David the Psychic, Jax, and C and Andrew.
Woo!
See y'all next one.
Bye-bye.